Hello everyone, my name is Madhul Mishra and I'm the co-founder and CTO at VGSolver Private Limited. And in this video, we are going to learn how to create a purchase invoice from a purchase order inside ERPNext. So as you have all seen that in last video, I have created this purchase order for different types of shirts inside ERPNext, right? And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to submit this particular purchase order, right? So if I'll go inside this purchase order, you can see that this purchase order is for receiving and billing, right? Now there are two different types of documents. One is purchase invoice and one is purchase receipt, right? So today we are going to see how to create a purchase invoice inside ERPNext. So as you can see, there is this create button, and on this create button you need to create or click on purchase invoice. So as you click on purchase invoice, you will see that all the information which we have added during the addition of purchase order is already created. Okay, so you have to just add few details. For example, if you want to add supplier invoice number, right, you can add SUP, or you can just write SUP KAD 2026 and 001. This is the supplier invoice number. Invoice date is today's only, right? And you can just save it. Now there are two things. One is this update stock feature, right? So if you don't want to create a separate purchase receipt for receiving of goods, right? So you don't want to create a separate document and you just want to receive the goods using purchase invoice only, right? So what you can do is you can just click on update stock over here, right? So automatically the stock which we have added in this invoice will be updated inside our stock ledger. So I'll show you how it is done. You just save it, okay, and you just submit it, okay. So once this is done, this particular purchase invoice is unpaid, but the stock is already received. So if you click on view and see the accounting or stock ledger, right, you will see that all this stock is now available inside our system stores and it has been received through purchase invoice. And if you go back, you will see this purchase invoice is already present. You can click on print. There are some standard purchase invoice formats which have come up with version 16. So you'll see that terms and conditions are present, the item table and description and all the details are also present. So you can take a printout of this also. All right, so I hope this video was clear and it helped you in understanding ERPNext. Thank you so much for watching till now. Bye bye.